So nice of you to show a new classmate around. Oh, were you going to sign up too? My brother and I have started all the school's productions, and we really welcome newcomers. There are a lot of supporting roles in the show. I'm sure we can find something for you. It seemed like you knew Troy Bolton. Not really. He was just showing me around. Well, Troy usually doesn't interact with new students. Where did she say she was from? So what do you think she's interested in our musical? I'm not sure that she is. And we needn't concern ourselves with amateurs. But there is no harm in making certain that Gabrielle is welcome to school activities that are, well, appropriate for her. After all, she loves pie. Our scholastic decathlon team has this feeling's like no other. I want you to know about a I told you not to do the jazz scores. It's a crowd favorite. Everybody loves a good jazz score. No problem. Actually, if you do the part with that particular song, I imagined it much slower. If we do the part? Kelsey, I sawed off Sondheim. I've been in 17 school productions. And how many times have your compositions been selected? This would be the first. Which tells us what? That I need to write you more solo? No, it tells us that you do not offer direction, suggestion, or commentary. And you should be thankful that me and Ryan are here to lift your music out of its current obscurity. Are we clear? Yes, ma'am. I mean, Sharpay. Nice talking to you. Is this some kind of joke? They didn't even audition. Maybe we'll get to meet Ashton. Oh, shut up, Ryan. How dare she sign up? I've already picked out the colors for my dressing room. And she hasn't even asked our permission to join the drama club. Someone's gotta tell the rules. What I want. This is not what I planned. Just gotta say, something's not right. Really wrong. And we gotta get things back where they belong. We can do it. We can body quiet. Hey Sharpay, I just thought since Troy Bolton's gonna be in your show. Troy Bolton is not in my show. Okay. Well, I just thought maybe, you could watch me play ball sometime or something. I'd rather stick pins in my eyes. Wouldn't that be awfully uncomfortable? Evaporate, tall person! And if those science girls get Gabriella hooked up with Troy Bolton, Scholastic Club goes from jewel to cool. Fine. We need to save our show from people who don't know the difference between a Tony Award and Tony Hawk. Our callback's on Thursday. The basketball game is Scholastic Decathlon on Friday. Too bad all these events weren't happening on the same day. At the same time. I'm proud to call you my sister. I know. Is that a yes? Seems we wildcats are in for an interesting afternoon. Ay, qué fabulosa! The sun, grinding out my best. Suave, flash a smile in their direction, and stood your stuff. Top going for. We are done here. Congratulations, event. It's far too late and we have not got a pianist. You really don't want to do that. Well, congratulations. I guess I'm going to be the understudy in case you can't make one of the shows, so break a leg. Hey, Sharpay. I'm sorry you didn't get the lead, but I think that you're really good. I admire you so much. And why wouldn't you? Now, goodbye. Oh, wait. I baked you some cookies. Ew. We will ride because we stuck together.